Imagine flying for weeks without ever landing. Sounds impossible, right? But one bird does exactly that. The Frigatebird. These amazing birds soar over oceans for months. So how do they ever get any sleep? Scientists were super curious too. They found something mind-blowing. Frigatebirds literally sleep with half their brain. One side rests, while the other stays awake. They even glide downwards for quick naps, like driving your car while one eye is shut, high above the clouds. They truly live their entire lives in an endless sky dance.